Queen's Life Beauties. I'm back with this week's video. And in this week's video, I'm going to be doing a lock maintenance, also known as a lock retwist. Just depends on what you want to call it. It's pretty much the same. But yes, we're just doing a standard retwist on today. And prior to his service, we did go in with a deep cleanse on his locks. He just started a new job and he needed some extra TLC on his scalp and locks. So I went in with some baking soda and apple cider vinegar during his shampoo service. And I did all of that off camera. Hopefully next time I'll be able to get it on camera for you guys. But yes, that's what we did. Go ahead and continue to watch until the end to see how I complete this lock retwist service on my client, and I'll show you the finished results at the end of the video. My client sat up under a warm hooded dryer for about 40 minutes until he was completely dry. And I'm spraying on some oil sheen to give his locks a nice shine. And this is the finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in on today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying my content. Have a great day and a blessed week ahead.